Canada gas station, and there's a Burger King right there, and we're at a touchless car wash, specifically a super wash at Petro Canada.
So yeah, so my brother's also filming. So
I'm filming with my iPad.
Same. Let's just
I
go.
forgot to bring my GoPro, but this iPad will do.
So right now we're just paying.
Yes, as you can see, we are paying.
Hey, we're here to go in.
Alright.
Did we get the color one?
I don't think this one has colors there. It's just a basic wash.
Okay. Oh,
I mean, it might. This is only a 7 foot? Will your truck fit?
Yes.
Going in
Honestly,
a car
barely.
wash. This was better. Let's go.
Things come up.
Shout out to Tyler M. He loves car washes.
My brother's filming.
It's under.
So you're not even actually fully recording.
I know, my thing's full.
There. I can't do it.
Whoa.
Can you do it?
Oh,
You
Sarah,
know-
you're lucky. It says triple foam. I think
What's
this one
that?
actually does.
It's got triple foam, super foam, wax.
Are we doing wax? Here we
I,
go.
I hope you paid for the triple foam because I honestly kind of like it too.
I think it's included.
No, it's like flashing lights. Oh, here comes the arm
Here
thing,
comes the arm.
and it's spraying water. Oh! Oh, I like car washes too. They're so cool.
Hey, why did boys do it? Oh, it's coming back around.
Sarah, next is the tri-foam.
No, it's gonna come on this side.
Triple foam.
Going on the back. That's gonna come on this side.
Yeah, and then the triple foam strips.
Whoa.
Alright, next should be the triple foam.
What's this?
Still in the pre-soap. This is a very shot.
My camera's doing a decent job. My arm is getting tired. Next should be the triple foam.
I don't want it. It's not very good. Oh, here comes the color. Hello.
Bro, it doesn't say.
No, look, color.
I think it's gonna wash it off, and then it's gonna do the triple foam. And wash it off again. Oh,
Yeah, I
maybe
just
this
have...
thing on the right doesn't work.
No, it comes back around.
Yeah, this is a really cool car wash, right, Sarah? Of course it did.
Wish we had one of these like just.
Oh,
like, in our
super
house.
foam now.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god!
That is some foam.
Are we moving or is it moving?
Look at the bubbles on my hood.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my!
Dude! Look at your sunroof! Oh my! Okay, that's a lot of foam.
That should be my wall.
Now we have
Sarah, I think your favorite part's coming up.
more foam coming on.
Your favorite part?
Clear coat protectant.
Should they pull the foam off first?
Oh no, it's gonna wash it off then. It's gonna come.
I swear, if triple foam doesn't work.
I'm gonna be excited for it to come.
It should just say triple foam. It's so cool.
Oh, look at the top.
Alright, next should be triple foam.
Look at the top. Yay.
I don't think we're gonna get triple foam, John.
You guys got it.
Oh, I bought like the best wash they had.
Oh. Well, this is super foam.
Maybe the super foam is better than the triple foam.
Well, I'm gonna be a little sad. Well, if you got the best watch,
All right, hang on.
they should throw everything in.
Now we gotta go for the dryer. It's gonna be loud.
Oh, they didn't give us the triphone. Great.
Close that and get quiet down a little bit. Actually, I need to see.
Like, how strong is the wood on these things? Like, could it possibly break something?
White bridges are not secure. No foul play involved. No foul play involved. Over and over again.
No foul play. That's it. Normal running back.
And they said that
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
they said that
Three,
they're not going to say anything more
one.
information.
What?
And they're not going to release any more information.
Well, everybody,
Sorry, what did you say?
especially Tyler M., I hope you enjoyed this
No foul play
video.
about what?
Peace out.